What's up, everybody? CT Aviation Vids here, and we have the overview of Boeing's aircraft. Starting off, we have the 717-200 in all the different liveries here. I'm not gonna name them off all at once. I'm just gonna say which ones are my favorite. For Air Tran, obviously, gotta love the Atlanta Falcons livery because they're a good football team. Me personally, I'm a Cincinnati Bengals fan, so yeah. Hooday. But enough about that. Here you can have a generic one for flight tests and everything. Next up, let's go to the 737 family. Here we have a 737-700, 737-800, 737-900. Now, I would like to see them add more for the 737 family. Like the 737-500s, 600s, 400s, 300s, and the older ones too. But yeah, I'm sure that might do that, and especially the Max aircraft. So the Max 8, Max 9. But yeah, overall, here's the 737 family. One cool thing about the 737-700 is, boom, you can have it in the U.S. Air Force colors. So pretty much VIP slash presidential. So this could be a mini Air Force One or Air Force Two. Also the Southwest ones. A couple of my favorites are Desert Gold and Illinois One. Obviously, those are on the 737-700 platforms. For the 737-800 for Southwest, you got just generically the Heart livery, which it is nice. I think they have them on the they don't have them on the 900s because Southwest does not have 737-900s. But enough of that. And on to the family of 747s. Starting off, we have the first one, the 747-200. And, fitting since AirVenture is around the corner, here it is in the EAA 50th colors. The original 747 colors with the EAA 50th on the side of the nose there. Next up, we have the 747-400, 747-8 freighter, and 747 intercontinental variants, 747 shuttle carrier, and the recently retired 747 Sophia. One thing I would like to see with the 747-8 freighters is you can open and close the cargo doors. So the nose opens, the back cargo door opens, the lower cargo doors open. Yeah, that would be pretty cool to see. Next up, the 757-200. I would like to see them add the 757-300. Here's all the different liveries you could have for the 757. Some cool liveries that I think are pretty nice and fitting. You got the America West before it merged with American Airlines. The classic chrome livery. And also it can also be the C-32 for the U.S. Air Force, which is on the 757-200 platform. Now, the cool thing about this is it could also be Air Force One or Air Force Two, or you could have it as a VIP transport. Next up, the 767-300. Now, the 767s have a family of them. So you got the 767-200 and 300. You got the 200 LR 300 LR, 200 ER, 300 ER. I would like to see those added to Infinite Flight, but those are just my preferences. Let me know what you guys want to see added to Infinite Flight in the comments down below. Next up, we have the 777 family. We have the 777-200ER, 777-200LR, and the classic one everybody knows, the 777-300ER, as well as the 777 Freighter. I do hope Infinite Flight releases the 777X9. That would be pretty cool to see. And have the folding winglets too. That would be another awesome thing to see. Onto the 787 family. You got the 787-8, 787-9, and 787-10. I do believe it's either the 787-10 or 787-9 that Lufthansa is looking to get, or it might be the 787-8. But let's just enjoy this cool livery for a minute. The Qatar Airways livery. I'll have like a whole different video on all the different liveries coming up soon. But here's the Boeing house livery. And finally, to round out Boeing, we have the C-17 and Air Force One. Now, one thing I'd like to see for the C-17 would be like more Air Force Base tail designs, like Dover, Joint Base Lewis McChord, Joint Base Charleston, and all that, as well as like the Kuwaiti, the Kuwaiti C-17 and the Qatar C-17, which look pretty cool. And that's it for Boeing. Thank you guys for watching, and next time we will hop on to Bombardier and take a look at all their aircraft. See ya.